wax melt delivery, and I can't wait to see what's in here. Let me tell you, recently I've discovered that anytime I use her wax melt, the throw is ridiculous. I mean, not to say that I haven't discovered that before, but I really sat down and I thought to myself, one day use one wax melt from every one of your favorite companies in each different room and keep it in there for as many hours as you can and see what's still throwing after the longest amount of time. So I compared it to a couple other wax companies, and let me tell you, I actually was able to get like 2.5 days out of the one wax melt. It was still throwing strong scent like 2.5 days later. Like none of the other wax melts did that. And so I guess I'm going to do that more often and see. I mean, sometimes it could be just the way that particular wax melt was made, or, you know, different wax melts can be kind of unique in the way they're made, in that the mixing could vary a little bit as they're creating it. But that one was just so amazing. All right. So, and I decided I'm going to stop wasting money on wax melts that don't have as good throw for me. Everybody has a different nose, but for me, I'm going to stick to the ones that I know work for me. All right, so let's see what's in this box. All right. So this is her package. It includes the invoice, how to take care of your wax, the fact that you can share it to Instagram, which I always do, as you guys know. Amazing full-size wax melt samples. I'll be right back. I want to read what's in that little note there. It says Ingrid something. I might just say thank you for my order. Enjoy Halloween. I don't think it's much more in there. Anyway, so I'll be right back. All right, so all it said was enjoy my Halloween goodies. And I got a bunch of the stuff that she had already on. So she had some dupes, Bath and Body Works dupes, and then some wax. And then she had some Halloween pre-order wax melts. All right, and I try always not to go overboard on the purchasing, because I see you guys out there with your de-stashes. I'm not here to waste money and then have to de-stash later. I'm very careful with what I purchase. As a matter of fact, I purchased some stuff from another company yesterday that I love, and when I did that, I started seeing other people posting what they bought, and I'm like, that's like $150 worth. And I'm like, nah, that's not going to be me, because I want to use what I buy. I don't want to have to come down a couple months later and say, oh, I never used this. Let me try see if I could de-stash. No, I limit myself. All right, so this is her card. And this is that card that I showed you that says snap it and share it. And these are the samples. Pajama Party, clothespin, pink sugar, lavender, vanilla, and splash of woolen blanket. Oh, I can smell that. Sour Patch Kids and Drops of Rain, Exorcist. Panic Room, clothespins, blackberry sage, and cashmere glow. I love her labels. She really does the most for her labels. And here's how to take care of your wax and how to use your wax. She really does the most. Like, seriously. All right. What do I have here? What did I purchase? Let's see. So, Foggy Night. I got 2 of these, and there's no price on the invoice. I was going to give you the price, but this is Sandalwood, Patchouli, Vanilla Bean, Noel, Pink Sugar. I liked that she had a bunch of stuff that wasn't bakery scented. You guys are sick of hearing me say that. It's just my preference. And then we have Cashmere Glow, Cashmere Cedar, and Jungle. And this is Amber, and they're so cute. Oh, there's no, oh, there it is, 8/26. Plenty of time for me to throw it in the warmer right now if I want to. Here's the other Foggy Night. They're cute. Zombie Brain. I do love me some fruit scented stuff. And this is Frankenberry and Marshmallow Fluff. And this is going to melt beautifully with the colors in there. I love to see the colors mix up there. And These, yes, 2 of these. Next we had Horror Stories, Stormy Night, Cashmere, Cedar, and Downy Blue. Every time I see cedar, I want to say cheddar or setter. I don't know why, but I do. These are adorable. And another one that's going to melt quite beautifully with the color twist in there. And another one. Oh, look at this little kitty cat. Little kitty cat in there. Look at the little kitty cat butt. Little hat, a little skull, and then another cat. Oh, I love shapes. And then just to mention it, they aren't even the same. So I got 2 packages, and was it one shape repeated? Yes, the cat was repeated, and that's the only one. We have a ghost, we have a bat, we have a witch's hat, we have that cat, and then I don't know what this one is. Oh, there's 2 skulls in there. And then in this one, we have, I don't know what that is. It looks like a little volcano. We have the skull, we have the cat, and we have the other cat. Lovely. I'm so excited because I was running low on Halloween melts, actually. Just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. This one is Caramel Apple, Bonfire Bliss, Mac Apple Scent. What's that shape back there? Looks like a potion bottle. A little ghosty. The Summoning. Vanilla pumpkin, marshmallow, vanilla sugar waffle, cone, and blueberry cereal. Yes. Oh, look at these skull shapes. Those are pretty cool. We have a tombstone, a little ghost in there. It looks like a worm. And in this one we have a doggy bone, a different skull shape, another worm, and crossbones. She tries to keep it, you know, different, so not everything is the same. Here we have Moonlight Path. This one was this a, Bath and Body Works dupe. Yes. How pretty is this? So feminine and pretty. This is Sweet Pea, which is a dupe, and I love Sweet Pea. Like, seriously, love Sweet Pea. I don't know why more people don't do Sweet Pea. I also don't know why people, I mean, I guess I understand, but people switch up their, you know, lineup so much that once I like something, I can't get it the next go round. Like, come on. I want, if I have a scent that I like, maybe I want that to be my go-to scent. But people aren't doing that. I understand them wanting to keep their offerings fresh, though. And this one is Rugrats. This one's for my daughter. I don't even know what it smells like, but she is a 90s fan, a 90s cartoon fan. This is Blackberry Jam, Apple, and Rice Krispies. All right, so I think that's it that I have in here. Other than these 2 things, let me put these over here and look at that. Am I on crack? I might be on crack. So we have these guys here. I'm looking at my invoice. I don't see these on here. Oh, sorry. I guess I should tell you this. It's Zombie Brain, scented in Frankenberry Marshmallow Fluff. Delicious, scented. And so let's go over the things that we got. So we got the Horror Stories. I think we got 2 of those. I made a mess over here, though, now. We have, let's see, Horror Stories times dose. We have the Zombie Brain, which is actually scented in this. Times dose, if I could find the other one. Times dose. We have the Summoning times dose. And I'm so glad that she gave me such a different a mix of shapes, because those of you that know me know that I like to do videos of everything, and no one wants to see the same shape in a video twice, right? It's boring. All right. Then we had dose of Foggy Night. We have, why did I just get one of the Hocus Pocus? I should have just gone ahead and got two of everything since I got two of those other ones. Just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. This company and Twilight Garden Wax, let me tell you. When I tell you guys that they are the best, they are the best. Although there's some companies that I haven't tried. So I know that there's some companies that I'm still yet to try. As a matter of fact, I just finally was able to catch on to some lovely wax. So I'll be able to show you guys that soon and let you guys know what I think about that wax. And so I'm sorry. So this was the dupes from Bath and Body Works. This is Sweet Pea. The Rugrats for my daughter. The other dupe, Moonlight Path. Amber, where is it? This is the Amber. Then we had the Very Generous Samples. Exorcist. Trying to get it to focus in. Panic Room. Ooh, that's cute. And then finally, Pajama Party. Gotta wait on this one. I like to let them, even though they say they're good like 2 weeks after, or some people even 1 week after, I like to let it go a little longer, just to let it simmer in its scent juices. All right, so that's it from Body's Harmony. This thing is super shiny, almost as shiny as my newly waxed table. Maybe shinier. That's it from Body's Harmony, and I am a fool, and I know that. And so I will talk to you guys on the next one.